So I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube talking about how you would hook this DeWalt planer up to dust collection best. The system I am using has worked really well, and I thought I'd just make a quick video showing you how it works. This is just one of those cheap dust separators. You can get them on AliExpress or Amazon. I put mine in a garbage can. There's a plywood cutout there, and the bungee strap isn't really necessary anymore because I've duct taped the garbage bag to the separator. There's a very short hose that I try and get a pretty straight shot into the separator. 90-degree elbow that is 4-inch into a reducer, 4-inch down to 2.5 or 2. I'm going to show you running one board through without any dust collection hooked up to it, so you can see that there really isn't much, even particulate, that comes out of the top. I'm going to flip this on, so it's going to get loud, and then run a board through real quick. You can see how that bag puffs up, so you know there's quite a bit of pressure in there. If I throw the dust collector on top here, which I usually run on it just for the filtering effect on the hood, you'll see that that bag really sucks down quite a bit too. So it creates that suction in there pretty well. I've been real happy with the way it works, and really with just any sort of a little air filter on top of there, you could run this exact system without any dust collection at all, and it will collect all of the chips that you can run through it, and I've had really good luck with it. If you want to make one like it, it's pretty cheap and easy.